Hello, my name is Candace Davenport and I'm the Health Officer, Public Health Nursing Supervisor for the Maplewood Public Health Division. We want to provide you with the most up-to-date information on the coronavirus as news and updates are constantly changing. There are currently 6 positive cases in New Jersey, but none in Essex County at this time. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, advises that those over the age of 60 and those with underlying health conditions should practice social distancing and avoid large crowds in public spaces and large gatherings. What is public space? A public space is any place where groups of people can freely gather. Examples of that are the mall, the library, the grocery store, a movie theater, a concert hall, or your local gym or community center. Please reconsider travel plans by plane and continually follow the travel advisory by CDC. To prevent the spread of any respiratory disease, please practice respiratory etiquette. That means cover your cough or sneeze with the elbow of your sleeve with a tissue and throw it away. Just like this. Wash your hands for 20 seconds and use a paper towel to open the door if you're in a public space, or use hand sanitizer. It's the soap and the rubbing action underneath the water that really helps to remove the germs. If you aren't able to wash your hands, please use hand sanitizer, and don't forget to wash your hands every time after being in any public space. Stay home if you're sick, and please get a flu shot. If you still need a flu shot, we offer them for adult residents in Maplewood, so please call our office for more information. The CDC would advise that those who have traveled to a level 3 travel advisory area to self-monitor at home and practice social distancing for 14 days from the time you left that country. When you are self-monitoring, you may not have any symptoms. If you are self-monitoring, please practice social distancing. Social distancing is staying away from public spaces and not attending social events during that 14-day period. If you have traveled or come in contact with a positive case of coronavirus and are exhibiting signs and symptoms of cough, fever, or shortness of breath, please call your healthcare provider. Please inform them by phone of your travel or exposure history and your symptoms before you go to the healthcare provider's office or to the emergency room. If you have any questions about the coronavirus during this time, please call this 24-hour state hotline at 1-800-222-1222. Thank you. Township employees are to adhere to any sick leave policies as outlined in our employee handbook. If you or a family member are being quarantined, administration will proceed with such policies as the family medical leave. Please also make sure to keep your workspaces and public spaces clean at all times as you interact with people who come into your office. The Township wants to reiterate that the health of each employee is vital, and that if there are any situations related to the coronavirus, please speak to the administration as to next steps. A healthy working environment is our goal as we move forward. Hi, here are some ways that you can practice social hygiene. Cover your hand and push on the door, and then use your body to push the door open. You can also do the same thing of pushing it down and then using your side body to open the door. Sometimes you'll have to use the elevator. Don't use your finger, use your knuckle to push the button. You can also cover your hand with your sleeve and turn off public lights and use that to turn them on again. So one of the hardest things to do is to not handshake with someone when you greet them, but there are other ways that you can do it too. You can do a fist bump, you can do an elbow bump, and you can even do the foot bump.